And hope you all are doing really well. Welcome to the English Academy. In this video, we are going to wind up our incredible journey with the novel The Secret Garden by Francis Hodgson Burnett because we are going to cover the last chapter of the novel, which is chapter number 27 in the garden. I hope that you have enjoyed this journey, and now we are on the last chapter. So let's see what is this chapter all about. And as usual, before telling you about the story of the chapter, I have found out some difficult words for you, which will help you ahead to have the meanings of these words in context of the story. So the first word is verdure. That's mean greenness of growing vegetation. Second one is tramped, walk heavily or noisily, like horses tramped. When the horses walk, there is noise created by their walk. That is something called tramped is. Chiseled, shaped or cut with a chisel. That's an instrument used in gardening or planting trees. Silver, flat silver metal serving tray. Languidly, doing slowly without energy. Sixth one is vicious, someone violent or harmful. Seventh one is peculiar, different to normal or strange, you can also say. Laurels, any shrub with dark green leaves. Number ninth is shrubbery, collection of shrubs. And the last one is smothered, act of suffocating by covering face. I hope that the all words along with their meanings are clear to you. And now finally this is the time to know more about the last chapter of the novel The Secret Garden. In this chapter, the story concluded, as I told you before. Mr. Craven, who was always out of Misselthwaite Manor since after the death of his wife Lilias Craven, because he had buried himself in his own misery of being lonely after his wife's death. After 10 years, now he realized that he had been done all wrong to his son Colin and to himself too. If you have followed the video, so you must know that Mr. Craven's wife was dead died when Colin Craven was born, and it's been 10 years, right? And soon after his wife's death, Archibald Craven felt himself really lonely, and he actually did not like to stay in Misselthwaite Manor, and also he did not like, or you can say he does not want to see Colin Craven, because he feels that just because Colin was born, his wife died. So these were little reasons behind Archibald Craven's behavior. But now finally in the last chapter he has realized that he has done so wrong, particularly with his son Colin Craven. Anyway, he realized this when he was at the lake and saw the blue forget me not flower growing there brightly. The calmness of that lake of Como made him change completely. He was now thinking about his son again and again. One full moon night, when he slept at the edge of the lake, he heard the voice of his wife in his dream, who was calling him. And when he asked her where she is, then she replied, in the garden. And the same time when he awakened in the morning, he got the letter from Susan Sorby, who wrote him and asked to come home for some good reasons. So what happened, that he was as usual out there somewhere around the lake. He was resting over there. He had a dream that his wife is calling, in the garden again and again. And the same time Susan Sorby, who is mother of Martha and Dickon, she called him and wanted to come him back for some good reasons. Now, what the reasons are, we will explore ahead. Therefore, he decided to go back to Misselthwaite Manor, and when he reached home, he went to Secret Garden, where by chance he saw his son Colin, who was running and had raced with Mistress Mary. which was obviously going to be very surprising for Archibald Craven. He was very surprised and happy to see his son like this. Then he was told the whole story of Secret Garden, their magic, and their thoughts by Colin. And he was very much surprised to see the Secret Garden growing again with beautiful flowers and beautiful exotic birds around the flowers in the whole garden. He was very much astonished to see his son Colin Craven running. The person, the one who was always lying on the bed, and he was, thinking that he is going to die very soon. He has hunchback, and as soon it will, appear or grow more, he will die. But what did he see when he came back? That his son is all right. He was running. He was happy, and he also saw the secret garden, who has been abandoned for good 10 years. What did he see? That the whole garden is growing again. It has got some beautiful flowers in vibrant colors. Exotic birds are there, and the three children, Colin, Dickon, and Mary. So the same time he was told the whole story about the secret garden, how these all started, and how the children made it possible for the secret to the secret garden to grow again like this. So he was very much happy after seeing this. And in the same scene, by the end of the same scene, we are done with the novel The Secret Garden. I hope you enjoyed reading it. I hope you enjoyed the videos that I made for you, the whole explanation. If you still have any query, you can ask me in comment section, right? And obviously this is the last chapter, so we have come to an end of this beautiful, incredible journey of The Secret Garden. I hope you liked it. Till the next video, take care. Bye bye.